What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to boost FPS in Marvel Rivals. Also, as always, if you want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave links to those in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started. So how do we boost our FPS here on Marvel Rivals? Well, there are going to be a few things you can change here. So first is the in-game settings that you're using. So let's go ahead and open up Marvel Rivals here and want to go to settings and basically access our display. Now, in here, you could change a few things. So if you're using NVIDIA here, so by default, I'm using NVIDIA DLSS here. So I want to change this to performance if you want to get more FPS out of your game. And this is just an option for you. You could go ahead and do this as well. So you have the limit FPS. So if you don't want to or if your game or Marvel Rivals here is stuttering for you, so it's a great idea to limit your FPS here only to 60. But if you want to exceed like 60, you can turn this off. But then again, if your PC is lagging, then it's best to limit the FPS at least to 60, especially if you don't meet the minimum requirements for Marvel Rivals. Now, also, you want to go to graphics and you want to go and set this to low. So in this case, if you set this to low, it will use less resources, and in this case, will give you more FPS in turn. So these are the things that you can change in game, but there are going to be other things that you could also change on your PC itself. So in your PC or in your Windows, you want to go to the bottom left here and you want to go ahead and just type in game mode. And you should see game mode settings here. Let's go open it up. And what you need to do is you need to turn this on. So this actually optimizes your PC for gameplay or when you're playing games. And another thing that you might want to change here is your graphic settings. So again, at the bottom left, you want to go ahead and just type in graphic settings and open it up. And from here, you want to turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So reduce latency, improve performance here. And also you have variable refresh rate here. So you go and turn those features on. Now, you might need to restart your PC in order for you to start using this one, but go ahead and just restart and see if that improves the performance. Now, another thing, this is just a bonus that you could try here. You might want to check your task manager. So to access task manager here, just press Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard, and you could go ahead and go to your apps. By the way, if you don't see the same thing here, you could go and click on more details to see all the apps. But then again, you want to go and close any apps that you're not using, especially browsers, so they consume a lot of memory as well as CPU and storage. So just close them, and from then on, that should actually improve any performances or issues that you're getting on Marvel Rivals, and hopefully that would also increase your FPS. But then again, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.